In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce gaming lags with Nordvpn. Let's dive right in and explore a simple yet effective way to enhance your gaming experience. If you've been grappling with annoying lags while gaming online, you'll be pleased to know that Nordvpn offers a solution that can potentially lower latency and ensure smoother gameplay. First things first, before we get into the settings, make sure you have the Nordvpn app installed on your device. Head over to the Nordvpn website and download the app for your operating system if you haven't done so already. Once you're set up and logged into the app, let's move on to getting the right settings configured. Now with the app open, you'll want to start by clicking on the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear symbol, and you can find it somewhere on the interface, often in a corner or towards the bottom of the app screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu where the magic happens. Within the settings menu, look for the option labelled connections. This section allows you to manage how NordVPN connects to its servers, which is essential for optimizing your network. Once you click on connections, you'll notice several options that deal with the configuration and behavior of your VPN connection. Next, you'll want to navigate to the VPN protocol settings. Protocols determine the encryption method used by your connection. Some protocols prioritize speed, while others focus on security. In the context of gaming, we're looking for a protocol that balances both, but leans more towards speed to reduce lag. This is where NordLynx comes into play. NordLynx is NordVPN's proprietary protocol based on WireGuard technology, renowned for its blazing fast connection speeds, which is exactly what gamers need. By using NordLynx, you're opting for speed alongside solid security protocols, ensuring your data is safe without compromising on performance. Simply click on NordLynx to enable it. With NordLynx activated, you should notice a significant improvement in your connection speeds. This translates to reduced ping and fewer interruptions when you're indulging in your favorite online games. And there you have it, a straightforward process to tweak your NordVPN settings, enhancing your gaming session by cutting down on unwanted lag. Remember, these settings can be customized based on your preferences. If you ever find that a game needs a different setup, feel free to experiment with these options. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to reduce gaming lags with NordVPN. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online experiences. Happy gaming!